So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sync notes on your iPad and your iPhone. Now to sync your notes between iPad and iPhone, you will need to make sure that both devices are signed into the same Apple ID and iCloud account. After that, you will need to go to your settings. So once you open up your settings, you will see it's going to look something like this. You can go to your name and then click on iCloud on both devices, and you can tap on the Show All button and toggle on Sync this device. So once you're here, you can go to Show All and you can choose Notes specifically, in this case on both devices, and toggle the Sync this device for it to be turned on. Once that's on, you can see your notes folders being uploaded to possibly an empty folder, or both to be uploaded to each other so they can be synced, so you can see the same folders and then get to editing or adding information and stuff like that between those folders on your different devices. Once that's done, you can go ahead and choose what you want to do with your folders. So once your notes are synced, you don't have to worry. You can just use it on one of the devices, and make sure that you stay logged in with your iCloud on both devices. That goes for your iPad as well as your iPhone. And after that, you don't have to worry about just trying to transcribe different notes, so you can just sync them, so you don't have to do that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.